Steam Cloud game synchronization issues can occur for various reasons, ranging from network connectivity problems to configuration settings. Here are some common troubleshooting steps you can take to address the issue.
First, right-click your game and select Properties.
Go to the Local Files tab. Click on Verify integrity of game files. Wait for the game to be fixed. Close the windows. Now click on Steam. Press Exit. Now open your Start menu and type Task Manager. Open your Task Manager. Click on More Details. Locate the Steam Client Bootstrapper service. Right-click it and select End Task. If you can't find the service, continue with the rest of the video. Close your Task Manager. Now reopen Steam. Go to your library and launch your game. Press Yes.
First, right-click Start and select Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Open your Advanced Network Settings. Network Reset will reinstall your network adapters and set other network components back to their original settings. Press Reset now. Press Yes to confirm it. Now restart to apply the changes.